Classification of mental illness. According to International Classification of Diseases, ICD-10 1992, Mental and Behavioral Disorders, ICD-10 F00209, organic, includes sympathetic mental disorders. F10 to F19, mental and behavioral disorders due to psychiatric substance use. F20 to F29, schizophrenia, schizotypal delusional disorder. F30 to 39, mood or affective disorders. F40 to 48, neurotic, stress related and somatoform disorder. F50 to F59, behavioral syndromes associated with psychological disturbances and physical factors. F60 to 69, disorder of adult personality and behavior. F70 to F79, mental retardation. F80 to 89, disorders of psychological. F90 to 98, behavioral and emotional disorders with onset usually occurring in childhood and adolescence. F99, unspecified mental disorder. Detail going on. F00209, organic, including symptomatic mental disorder. 1. Delirium. 2. Dementia. 3. Organic amnestic syndrome. 4. Other organic disorders. Organic hallucinated, organic catatonic disorder, organic delusional schizophrenial link, organic mood or affective disorder, organic anxiety disorder, organic personality disorder, personality and behavioral disorder due to brain disease, damage, dysfunction, miscellaneous disorder, ICD-10. F10 to F19, psychiatric substance use disorder, alcohol use disorder, opioid use disorder, cannabis use disorder, cocaine use disorder, amphetamine use disorder, hallucinogens, example LSD, sedatives and hypnotics, example barbiturates, inhalants, example volatile solvents, narcotic use disorder, other stimulants, example caffeine. F20 to F29, schizophrenia. Types: paranoid, hebephrenic, hetatonic, residual, undifferentiated, simple, post schizophrenic depression and other schizophrenia disorders. F30 to F39, mood disorder, manic episode, depressive episode, bipolar mood or affective disorder, persistent mood disorder, other mixed affective episode, and brief depressive disorder. Other psychiatric disorder related to schizophrenia: delusional disorder, acute and transient disorder, one acute polymorphic psychiatric disorder, second acute polymorphic psychiatric disorder without symptoms of schizophrenia, 3 acute schizophrenia linked psychiatric disorder, 4 other acute predominantly delusional psychiatric disorder, schizoaffective disorder, Capgras syndrome, the delusion of doubles. F40 to 48, neurotic stress related and somatoform disorders. Anxiety disorder: 1 generalized anxiety disorder, 2 panic disorder, phobic disorder, 1 agoraphobia, 2 social phobia, 3 specific phobia. Obsessive compulsive disorder, dissociative and conversion disorder. Conversion disorder: 1 motor disorder, 2 sensory disorder, 3 dissociative convulsions. Dissociative disorder: 1 dissociative amnesia, 2 dissociative fog, 3 multiple personality dissociative identity disorder, 4 trance and possession disorders, 5 other dissociative disorders. Somatoform disorder: 1 somatization disorder, hypochondriasis, hypochondrial disorder, 3 somatoform autonomic dysfunction, 4 persistent somatoform pain disorder, 5 other somatoform disorder. Other neurotic disorder including 1 neurasthenia, 2nd depersonalization disorder, depersonalization derealization syndrome, 3 other specific neurotic disorder. Reaction to stress and adjustment disorder: 1 acute specific reaction, 2 post traumatic stress disorder PTSD, 3 adjustment disorder. F50 to 59, behavioral syndromes associated with psychological disturbances and physiological factors. Eating disorders: anorexia nervosa, bulima nervosa, obesity, overeating associated with other psychological disturbances. Psychogenic vomiting: non-organic sleep disorders, sexual dysfunction not caused by organic disorders or disease, postpartum psychiatric disorders, mental and behavioral disorders associated with peripherum not classified elsewhere, psychometric disorders, psychological or behavioral factors associated with disorders or disease classified elsewhere. Type A personality, post cardiac surgery delirium, psychiatry and medicine, grief. Pathological grief 1, 2, complicated F60 to 69, disorders of adult personality and behavior. Specific personality disorder 1, paranoid personality disorder. 2nd, schizoid personality disorder. 3, schizotypal disorder, schizotypal personality disorder. 4, antisocial personality disorder. 5, histrionic personality disorder, narcissistic personality disorder. Seven, emotionally unstable personality disorder. 8, anxious avoidant personality disorder. 9, dependent personality disorder. 10, obsessive compulsive personality disorder. 11, passive aggressive personality disorder. Habits and impulse disorders. Gender identity disorders, disorders of sexual preference, psychological and behavioral disorders associated with sexual development and orientation. Fetish disorders, Munchausen syndrome. Sexual disorders. 1, gender identity disorders, including first, transsexualism, primary, secondary. Second, dual role transversionism. 3, gender identity disorder of children. 4, intersexuality, variation in sex characteristics, including gonads, sex hormones. 2, psychological and behavioral disorders associated with sexual development and maturation. 1, sexual maturation disorder. 2, ego dystonic sexual orientation. 3, sexual relationships disorder. 3, paraphilias, disorders of sexual preference. 1, fetishism, sexual focus on a non-living object. 2nd, fetishistic transvestism, excessive sexual or erotic interest in cross-dressing. 3, sexual sadism, sexual arousal in response to the extreme pain. 4, sexual masochism, enduring moderate or extreme pain without asphyxiophilia. 5, exhibitionism, attract attention to oneself. 6, voyeurism. 7, frotteurism. 8, pedophilia. 9, zoophilia. 10, other paraphilious disorders. 4, sexual dysfunction, disorders of appetitive pace, sexual desire disorder. 1. Hypoactive sexual desire disorder, frigidity. Second, sexual aversion disorder and lack of sexual enjoyment disorder. 3. Excessive sexual drive. Disorders of excitement and plateau phase. Sexual arousal disorder or failure of general response. 4. Male erotic disorder, impotence. 5. Female sexual arousal disorder. Disorders of orgasmic pace, disorder or dysfunction. 6. Male orgasmic disorder. 7. Female orgasmic disorder, female anorgasmia. 8. Premature ejaculation, sexual pain disorder. 9. Non-organic vaginism. 10. Non-organic dyspareunia. Sexual disorders due to general medical condition. Sleep disorders, dysomnias. 1. Insomnia. 2. Hypersomnia. 3. Disorders of sleep awake schedule. Parasomnias. A. Stage 4 sleep disorders. 1. Sleepwalking. 2. Sleep terrors. 3. Sleep related bedwetting. Bruxism, truth greeting. 5. Sleep talking. B. Other sleep disorders, nightmares, dream anxiety disorder and other including family sleep paralysis. F. 70 to 79, mental retardation. Denver development, scoring text. DDST. 1. Motor behavior. 2. Adaptive behavior. 3. Language. 4. Personal and social behavior. Intellectual development. 1. Sensory motor stage. 2. Concrete thinking stage. 3. Abstract conceptual thinking stage. 4. Formal operational stage. Types. 1. Mid mental retardation. 2. Moderate mental retardation. 3. Severe mental retardation. 4. Profound mental retardation. Causes: phenylalktonuria, Down syndrome, tuberous sclerosis, Fragile X syndrome, cretinism, then cerebral palsy. F80 to 89, child psychiatry. Classification: first, mental retardation. Second, specific developmental disorder. 3. Perversive developmental disorder. 4. Hyperkinetic disorder. 5. Tic disorder. 6. Enuresis and echopraxis. 7. Speech disorder. 8. Habit disorder. 9. Other disorders. Specific developmental disorder. First, reading dyslexia. Second, language dysphasia. 3, arithmetic dyscalculia. 4, articulation dyslalia. 5, coordination. Progressive developmental disorder. Clinical features. 1, autism, marked impairment in language and non-verbal communication. 3, abnormal behavioral characteristics. 4, mental retardation. 5, other features. Idiot's 7 syndrome, epilepsy. Other progressive developmental disorders. 1, infantile and childhood onset autism. 2, childhood schizophrenia. 3, mood disorder. 4, organic psychiatric disorder. Hyperkinetic disorder, attention deficit disorder. First, attention deficit disorder with hyperactivity. Second, attention deficit disorder without hyperactivity. 3, residual type. 4, hyperkinetic disorder with conduct disorder. Conduct disorders. ICD-10, 4 subtypes. 1, conduct disorder confined to family context. Second, unsocialized conduct disorder. 3, socialized conduct disorder. 4, oppositional defiant disorder. Clinical features. 1, frequently lying. 2, stealing or robbery. 3, running away from home and school. 4, physical violence like rape, fire setting, assault, use of weapons. 5, cruelty towards other people and animal. Tic disorders. 1, motor tic, A symbol, B complex. T, vocal tic, A symbol, B complex. Totoris disorder. Tic more than 1 year. Non-organic enuresis, repetitive voiding of urine. Non-organic encopresis, repetitive voiding of feces. Speech disorder, fluency, blocking, repetition, etc. Habit disorder, example, thumb sucking. Other disorders, separation anxiety disorder, phobic anxiety disorder, social anxiety disorder, and elective mutism. Thank you. Have a nice day.